Shampoo.
No, but I told you that she make use of this shampoo in the first place. Before I said, bro, Michael.
So this is just a shampoo.
No, I told you that she make use of the shampoo on me. What's your problem?
But calm down.
I told you that she make use of the first place. What's all this?
Affect your hair now, sir. Why are you shouting?
No, I told you from the start that she makes use of the shampoo on me. What's your problem?
Sir.
What's going on here?
I told her that she shouldn't make use of the shampoo on me, but she doesn't listen. Is that no?
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
Is that you put your customers around here? Let's leave. Bro, calm down. Let's leave, please. Bro.
This is what it was?
Bro.
So it's not my fault, but this is just a shampoo. We used to
Get out of this place! To the gutters. Hello? Isaac. What can I do for you, Isaac? Isaac, I told you, stop calling my number again. And I don't want to see you in my office again. See, let me tell you something. See. Yes. Okay. It's better go to your village and open a shrine. Do you understand me? My shop is not a shrine where you can open it and say that you are or whatever. Understand? Stop calling my number again. Rubbish.
We need this black. Then we start the red. Compliments back to the office.
Okay, what of this? Don't you see this one? I like this one.
And it's good, but let's go for that one.
That's reminds me. What of our new salon cashier?
I told you I will handle everything in that office. She's doing perfectly well. I told you.
Good to hear about that.
Thank you.
Guess what?
What?
This stupid Isaac, or whatever he call his name, just called me on phone, was like, hey boss, please, I want to come back. Blah, 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 blah. Just me now. I told you, Isaac, please, I don't need him myself again. I don't even want to see him. Understand? It's better you go back to your village and open a shrine. I don't need him again. Trust me now.
My dear, see Isaac calling you for what now? I beg you. You should stay on place.
Let's just forget about all this other stuff.